Hello friends, welcome to my channel FNB Classes and I'm Dr. Hemant Kumar Singh. We are into the third episode of the series Basic Restaurant Tool. In the first episode we have discussed about the crockery, and in the second episode we have discussed about the steelware including the flatware, cutlery and hollowware. And in today's episode we are going to discuss about some of the glasswares used in the restaurant. So let's get started. We use the glassware in the restaurant to serve various beverages, and some of the glassware are flat bottom just like this, or they are the stem glasses like this. So we have broadly two types of glasses, the flat bottom glasses and the stem glasses. Okay, so let's begin with the most common glass which is used in the restaurant, the highball glass. We use this glass in the restaurant for various purposes, like for serving water, juices, soft drinks and a lot of other beverages also. So this is one of the most common glasses used in the restaurant, the highball glass. Another glass which resembles very much to this is this glass, Tom Collins. Although this glass has been named after a drink or a beverage called Tom Collins, which is a gin based cocktail which is served in this glass. But then yes, we do serve a lot of other beverages also in this glass, like the fruit juices or soft drinks and maybe buttermilk also in this glass. So that's Tom Collins. Like we have seen the highball glass which is used for serving water, we have another glass for the same purpose, the water goblet, which is a stem glass. So this is a water goblet used in the fine dining restaurant or in restaurants which are associated with the hotels. So we use a stem glassware for serving water like this, the water goblet. This is again a stem glass, and this is known as the cocktail glass. And this glass has got another name also, which is the martini glass. Now martini is again a name of the cocktail, the dry martini or the sweet martini. And this glass is used for serving a number of different cocktails, but then this is used primarily for serving martini. Okay, as of now I am not going in much detail about the capacity of the glasses, and the reason is every hotel or the restaurant uses different types of glasses. The shapes and sizes varies a lot, but otherwise if you want to know the general guidelines about the capacity of the glasses, you can watch that video. The link for that video is mentioned above. Okay, so this is another glass used for serving brandy or the cognac. This is known as the brandy balloon or the brandy goblet or the brandy snifter. The shape of this glass is very peculiar because the spirit brandy is very flavored. This is one of the most flavored spirits. So whenever you are trying to sip the brandy like this, your nose is there inside the bowl, which allows you to inhale the aroma of that spirit, which is the brandy or the cognac. And another thing is, whenever the brandy is served in glass, and we should hold the glass like this. So the warmth which is there in our palms helps in getting the aroma released from the brandy or the cognac. So we should consume or hold the glass like this, and then we can sip or enjoy the brandy. So brandy balloon or the brandy inhaler or the brandy snifter. The next glass is the AP wine glass, the all-purpose wine glass. This can be used for both the red wines or the white wines. The AP wine glass. And this is the old-fashioned. This is used for serving the spirits on the rocks, majorly whiskey on the rocks. On the rocks means whenever we are trying to serve whiskey on the rocks, we first fill the glass with ice cubes and then we pour a measure of small or large, whatever the guest has ordered, that measure of whiskey on top of it. So for on the rocks spirits, the old-fashioned glass. Okay, now we have some glasses here for serving beer. This is a beer mug and this is a beer goblet. So this is the beer mug, a flat bottom glass, and this is a stemware, beer goblet. And yes, this is also a glass for serving beer known as the Pilsner beer. But this is majorly used for serving the Pilsner beer, which is light lager kind of beer from the Pilsen area of Czech Republic. So that's a special beer, Pilsen, which is supposed to be served in this glass, the Pilsner glass. Now we have these two small glasses of little different shapes and sizes. These are the shot glasses used for either the tequila shots or for the vodka shots, the shot glasses. Now I've got some glasses for serving the sparkling wines or the champagnes. The first one is the champagne saucer. But this was the glass which was earlier used to serve the sparkling wines or the champagne, because this glass has a lot of surface area exposed, and which doesn't hold the bubbles for a longer period of time. So the bubbles disappear quite early. Then came this glass, which is known as the champagne tulip. A sparkling wine or champagne can be served in this glass, and this glass has a better capacity to hold those bubbles or that fizz in the glass for a little longer. So this glass is always more preferable than a champagne saucer. This one is the champagne tulip. Then we have this glass. This is known as the champagne flute. Now this is probably the best glass for serving champagne or any of these sparkling wines, because this glass can hold the bubbles for quite long, the bubbles or the effervescence or that fizz, right? So because the surface area exposed is too less, and this can hold the bubbles for quite long, right? So this is one of the best glasses for serving the sparkling wines or the champagnes. I have got another champagne flute, but this is a little special. It is a gifted one, a gift to me, and this glass has got some cut glass at the bottom. You can see the bottom part is a nice cut glass, and then the stem is having a lot of Swarovski crystals in here, and this is a beautiful champagne flute glass for serving the sparkling wines or the champagnes. Okay, we have covered all the glasses except these two. These are the decanters. Technically we use them for decanting the wine, and we generally decant the red wines only and not the white wines, and that too the very high aged red wines, because they may develop some kind of sediments in them. So we need to decant the wine first, and from this decanter only we serve the wine to the guest. But then these days we use these decanters for serving water and soda also, along with the beverages, usually basically for the spirits. So we do carry water and soda in these decanters for serving the spirits like whiskey or rum. Okay guys, so these were all the glasses which I was having in my inventory, and I hope you like the video. If you like the content and the information, please like and subscribe. Also hit the bell icon for the future notification of my videos. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.